Hey guys, as promised, I wanted to give you an update on the giant 3D printing project that's been going on this past week. I've been printing a wheel, essentially. Um, Started it last Thursday night. It finished up this week, Tuesday night. 118 hours and 15 minutes. So it's not a fast machine, but anyway, let me show you what the end result looked like. We have 18 by 12 5-slot mag. Really happy with how it turned out. Yeah, like I say, 118 hours, so just under 5 kilograms. Printed it with a 0.8 nozzle for you fellow 3D printers out there. That'll mean something to you. But yeah, so if you're looking to reduce your unsprung weight, this is your ticket. So, I'm kidding. So anyway, it's just a conversation piece. Doesn't weigh anything. It's probably 2 kilograms maybe. But it was really just to kind of show the capabilities of the machine. This, like I said, this was 18 by 12. I can go as big as 20 by 20 by 24 in height. So let me back up, or yeah, walk over here real quick and give you a comparison. But the real wheel, that one's actually a 19 by 12. I just did an 18 by 12. And but yeah, that's it. So if you've got a big printing project, we do CAD work, 3D scanning, 3D printing, and even CNC machining. So let us know what we can do for your next project.